Hi Heartfelt families, and thank you so much for joining me for today's read aloud. My name is Miss Emily and I'm one of the toddler teachers here at Heartfelt Impressions Clarkston, and I am so excited to read with you today. Today we're going to read a really fun book. It's called If You Give a Dog a Donut. Now our theme this week is cooking, so I thought this might be a fun book to read about food and the different foods we might pair together. So, this book is called If You Give a Dog a Donut, and the author is Laura Numeroff. What does the author do? That's right. The author writes the words that are on all the pages. She writes the stories. Now, the illustrator of this book is Felicia Bond. What does the illustrator do? That's right. The illustrator draws all of the pictures throughout the book. This book has a lot of really fun pictures that we're going to get a look at. So, we know the title, we know the author, and we know the illustrator. So now we're going to talk about the parts of the book. There's the front cover and the back cover. Now the front and back cover of the book really help to keep the book together and keep the pages inside safe so that they're not bent, ripped, or broken. That way we can keep reading our favorite books. Now there's also the spine of the book, which is the side of the book right here. The spine holds all the pages on the inside together. You can see it on every page. If you open it all the way open, you can see the spine. All the pages are attached to the spine. So, now that we know about the parts of the book, who wrote it, who drew the pictures, and what's it called, let's get reading. So, If You Give a Dog a Donut, written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. If you give a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it. When you give him the juice, he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for more. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. He'll go outside to pick apples. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of baseball. He'll want to play. You'll have to get a ball and a glove. Of course, he'll also need a bat. He'll ask you to pitch. He'll hit a home run. Then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. Dancing will make him hot and dusty, so he'll need some water. He'll probably start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bandana. He'll wrap it around his head and pretend that he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. You'll have to get him some sticks, paper, and string. When the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It will go higher and higher until it gets tangled in the apple tree. The apple tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks for some apple juice, he'll want a donut to go with it. Yum. That is the end of our book. Thank you guys so much for reading with me today, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye!